Hi, I'm Jim Schuster, certified elder law attorney from Southfield, Michigan. We're here talking today about Michigan elder law matters. Today's subject, why do I need an elder law power of attorney? Now, by the way, for you folks in other states not in Michigan, hey, just give me a call. I can give you a referral to a good attorney in your home state. All right, why do I need an elder law power of attorney? Now, first, let's understand basically what a power of attorney is. If you give a power of attorney to somebody, you are giving them authority to act for you. So if you're a child of an aging parent, your parent gives authority to act for your parent. Pretty simple, right? But a power of attorney means only what it says. It's kind of like we were young kids, mama said, I told you to do that, and only that. Didn't tell you to do that other stuff. Power of attorney continues that kind of thought. You only have authority to do exactly what you are told you can do. I sometimes say power of attorney is like a job description. We got a job at Walmart. Doesn't mean we can just go to the corporate headquarters and sit at a desk and say, okay, I'm working for Walmart. Here, I can work this, I can do this. No. Your power of attorney is your job description telling you what you can do. I want to point out that a power of attorney is not just for old people. Let's be clear about that. Just because mom or dad should have a power of attorney doesn't mean they're old. They could be yachters or golfers or cruisers and still benefit from power of attorney just like you could. Give you an example. Suppose that you're on a vacation, maybe you saved up for your big yearly vacation down at Disney with the kids or maybe on a cruise, and then you get a call from home. Then you hear the message. That tree that was in the front yard, it's now in the living room. Well, you'd like to say to son or daughter, power of attorney is in the desk drawer, call the insurance company, call the contractor, get it fixed, I'll see you in 2 weeks. There's the more serious issues as well. For instance, a colleague of mine had a daughter in college, and very early one morning, or maybe very late at night, depending on your point of view, he got a call and saying, hello, Mr. Smith, don't worry about your daughter. She's in the emergency room, but she's doing fine. You can imagine, he flew off the handle. What are you talking about? What emergency? What happened? Tell me. So, long story short, he called the emergency room, and he said, I'm her father. I'm an attorney. Tell me what's going on. And they said, sir, we can't tell you anything. It was her private, confidential, medical matters he is asking about. They couldn't tell him anything. She is an adult. Well, you can be assured, as soon as she got home, he had a power of attorney waiting for her, and she signed it, and he had authority to take care of anything in any emergency, just like that. Okay, so let's just go to the situation. Let's say you're talking with a parent, or maybe you are an elder yourself. Why power of attorney? After all, I'm not sick. Well, being an elder, that means you risk years of needing help. Matter of fact, I'll tell you right now, I know a few clients over age 90 who take care of all their business themselves. I mean, they had it with those phone numbers and those 800 and all those menus and things, or the people from the service center that they can't understand, and maybe the elder's hearing isn't as good as it used to be. And by the way, hearing aids don't work perfectly on phones. Sometimes they need both ears, and even with hearing aids, they can't hear on the phone. And doctors often talk too fast, and the elder doesn't want to look dumb, so they just kind of agree and say yes to what they heard and don't hear everything. How many times have I heard oldest daughters helping out mom say, Mom told the doctor she understood everything, but when I talked to her, she didn't understand a thing about what he said. So the daughter would need a power of attorney to help mom manage her health care. Not that she's in a hospital, not that she's in a nursing home, she's living at home, but she needs help. If mom's feeling bad from a medication, maybe a side effect from a prescription, daughter could just call the pharmacy or call the doctor's office and get it changed, get it worked out, just like that. An elder law power of attorney will grant you all the authority, all the power you need to help out mom and dad, no matter what they may need. You have the authority to do it. It's been good talking with you. If you got more questions, just give me a call. Number is 248-356-3500, or you can always visit our website. A lot of good information there, www.jimschuster.com.